I got all the cables hooked up. It is turning on and the carriage is moving, but I'm getting a fatal error. I use the WIC app. It's the WIC app, and this is pretty accurate. Dealt with this app in the past, and it really helps me figure out what's wrong or what's going on with the printer. Of course, I'm talking about my Punha 1390. This is a little different. It's L1800, but just from my experience, I can tell you it's probably going to be that CR motor that's going to have to be replaced. And those are some of the errors that I'm getting. It says fatal error, excess load, CR encoder failure, CR motor failure, tooth skip or improper tension of timing belt. So I'm pretty confident this thing's gonna work once I replace that motor. I just hope the capping station's not clogged up. The capping station is what's right up under this carriage right now. It pumps out the waste ink into this little container. It keeps the print head from clogging up. But looks like everything turned on, so I'm gonna see if I can do a head cleaning just to see what it does. It was making a very loud screeching noise earlier. I turned it on. That's one of the indications the CR motor's going out. That I had one do that to me, and I did replace that CR motor, which took care of the issue. Luckily, I found a place in the United States that actually carries parts for these printers. It's called Kingdom DTF. No affiliation with them, but if you ever need parts, that's probably the place to go and order online. They're out of Florida. So it's doing something now. Looks like it's cleaning the head. Well, more to come on this printer as I get more parts in. Thank y'all for watching.